What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Red Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so we'll start from the very top, work our way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. We want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's divide the eyes in half across the middle, starting from the left side, go across towards the inside, and then line that up on the right. Now I'm going to draw the pupil underneath. So we're going to step in, trace the circle on the inside, and then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. Starting on the left, bend this up and then out. Line this up on the right. Let's go to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across the mouth. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out and draw a half circle. Coming down, across underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right. Now I'm going to bend this up and in towards the outside horns. So we're going to go up and bend that in. Let's go to the right and bring that up towards the same height. Let's add that socket with a small half circle. Now from that outside point, we're going to draw a straight line going up the outside of the horn, angle this down and then in. Let's continue that circle on the inside. I'm going to leave a gap in the middle to add one more horn in the center of the head. Let's draw on that socket, coming down and then up. From these 2 points, we're going to go up and in towards the center point. Let's add those two large horns along the side of the head. So from this point, we're going to step down, and let's up and then out. And then we'll angle this down and then in toward the side of the head. Now we're going to move down and draw on the body. Let's start on the left side, draw a straight angle line, coming down and out towards the bottom, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Red Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.